So we have a number line here, and the question is, which numbers are greater than 5? Okay, so 5 is right here on the number line. So we want to know which numbers are greater than 5. That means to the right of 5. So this way are the numbers greater than 5. And here are the numbers which are less than 5, because 1, 2, 3, and 4 are smaller than 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are greater than 5. So if we look in the first option, it says 6. So is it to the left of it 5 or to the right of 5? Well, it's right here to the right of 5, so it's greater than 5 because it comes after 5 as well. So we'll check that one. And the next option is 9. So again, is it to the left or is it to the right? Well, we see it's right here to the right of 5. Means it's greater than 5, okay? So we'll check this one. And then last one is 3. So again, is it to the left of 5 or to the right of 5? Well, here it is. To the left of 5. That means it's smaller than the number 5. So this one is not a number greater than 5. There we go.